Hello, this is Jerry Clark with ZM Financial Systems. Today we're going to talk about our practical solutions and how they can help you solve some of your complex financial problems. We're going to first discuss a couple areas that we focus on and then give a little background on the company and why we're unique. What we offer are two things. First of all, traditional and non-traditional asset liability management and budgeting, meaning that we go beyond the traditional stress testing of interest rates and forecasting, simulation, and what if to really help you do some of your regulatory reporting, especially large bank regulatory reporting, DFAST and such, as well as stress testing other variables, looking at credits and defaults, looking at prepayments, and many other aspects or assumptions. The second area that we focus on heavily is portfolio analytics, helping you look at individual bonds, deciding whether to buy or sell them, looking at loans, looking at hedges and strategies, as well as portfolio decisions. How do you want to restructure to minimize your risk and maximize your potential? It's all foundational based on bond analytics. We start there, we get it right. We really focus on not just getting the information in correctly through our linkages with markets and third-party data, but then also giving you the analytics behind the scenes, putting the power into the platform to really help you understand what it is you have or what it is you're looking at, and what are the potential risks and rewards associated with this information. It's all done through a very well thought out interface, meaning you don't have to know the mechanics and know the details behind the scenes. We help you get there by interpreting it for you. And this is delivered either in-house or hosted. So depending on your preference, depending on your types of environment that are going to work best for you, we can help you set it up to meet your needs. The initial system that we developed was called Palms. The company was at that time called Pinehurst Analytics and very focused on capital markets and trading. So it all started there. Again, very strong analytics. And we saw great growth over the first several years. Fiserv picked up on this and acquired Pinehurst Analytics. But after a few years, the decision was made for the principals of the original company to buy it back. ZM Financial Systems was formed, and ZM Desk is really the flagship platform that everything else has grown from since then. So ZM Desk has many aspects to it. One of the things is the focus on precision. So where we can tie into the market information for getting not just rates and volatilities, but also things like call schedules for securities or getting structured cash flows for CMOs and other types of instruments, and even some of the assumptions information. Again, why reinvent the wheel? So if it's out there and it's something that you'd like to be able to subscribe and pull in, we can tie into forecasts for prepayments, for defaults. We've also even developed some of our own mechanisms, proprietary mechanisms. And then on the other side of the house for optimization, as you're looking at particular trades, while this information is all important, we can also take that one step further and say, okay, let's calculate some of the Greeks and some of the metrics associated with this potential trade, but then let's help you find the best one. There may be hundreds and hundreds of potential ways you could buy and sell a series of bonds and loans and deposits. So we can optimize and pick out the best one given the criteria that you select. From ZM Desk, we spawned several other applications. Online ALM is a cloud-based solution specifically focused on asset liability management. Online Bond Swap is the same type of thing, focused on pre-trade analysis and optimization. And budgeting, ZM Budget, is an application where we marry the power of Excel with the power of ZM cash flows to really produce a cost center level budgeting mechanism. A couple other tools that spawn to bolster ZM Desk. ZMAPI allows users to design very specific interfaces to the power of ZM Desk. And CDG gives you the ability to pull together potential trades from many different brokers into one nice database that's a searchable database inventory that you can find bonds that meet your own criteria. So what makes us different? Well, mainly that bridge. We have the analytical rigor to really not just look at individual securities, but look at the whole portfolio, the whole balance sheet, and see how a decision is going to impact you over time across the enterprise. We have not just the software, but the people in place that can help you derive the calculations and the sophistication necessary to support this, and we have the expertise in the banking world, of course, too, to help you cross that bridge. Because our system is so well thought out and so structured and so strong in the analytical side, our implementations tend to be very light in consulting. So rather than systems where it takes months or even years to implement it, ours typically takes days or weeks to implement, very fast. Along with that, if you need some changes or would like to see things a little differently, it's not uncommon at all for us to enhance things as part of the implementation. And so the end result is we have about 1,000 institutions that really rely on our solutions for the results that they see. We like to say the idea is you focus less on your assumptions and more on your business. We've brought together the worlds of securities and portfolio management and full balance sheet management. We take care of the gory details. So we'd love you to learn more about us. Go to our website at zmfs.com, join us on LinkedIn, or just give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Take care and have a great day.